how much do you think it costs to spend 1 month in Cabo? Well, I'm about to break it down to you category by category. And I know when I say Cabo, you're probably thinking resorts, spring break, because that's honestly what I thought about Cabo too before getting here. And it turns out it's completely the opposite. Somehow, without doing much research, I ended up in Cabo for an entire month. Not in a resort, just in a regular apartment. And even though the first few days I was questioning whether I had made a big mistake in booking and deciding to come here, it's officially day 29 out of 30. And I'm sad. I'm sad to be leaving because honestly, I've loved it so much. I have a routine down. I have my spot. It feels super cozy. It's safe. It's comfortable. I've been very productive and athletic. And I've realized that Cabo isn't what everyone paints it out to be. So pretty much, yes, there is the party side, but there's a whole nother side that I think people don't know about. There is the fancy houses, like, yes, that's all very real, but there's more. There's so many little pockets with stunning properties, like nice apartment rentals, incredible beaches, locals that are so welcoming, and just a quiet, relaxed town that so many people have fallen in love with, both foreigners and locals from other parts of Mexico. And both of these put together is what's called Los Cabos. And the town here, wow, it is so nice. It is nothing compared to the typical spring break town. The one over here is like pretty. It's artsy. There's galleries, restaurants, shopping, and all at different price points. So it's great for any budget. Just like there are very, very, very fancy restaurants, there's also just like the local taco spots. So you can get either or, which is literally my favorite type of place. And if you know me, I'm super into wellness, which there has been so much of over here. I've loved it. But now moving on to the cost. Drum roll. For activities, we have a total of $159.87. Beauty, $13.15. Car rental, $384.45. Dining, $346.71. Flights, this is one way from Miami, $379.86. Gas, $44.24. Groceries, $657.55. Gym, $340.48. Lodging, $939.28. Let's just take a moment and pause because I don't think anywhere in the world have we found a 1 month stay for that price. This is a beautiful, which I'm going to do a full tour of, apartment from outside. And because it is the low season, because it is summer here and usually high season in Cabo is like January, this apartment that usually goes for like $1,700, we got for $900. So hands down, you're going to scan this QR code up here. You're going to sign up and you're going to be on the lookout for all those deals that they send out every month to see where you can snag a good deal from and fly to that place that month. Now continuing on with the list, shopping, $65.41, and then transportation, $21.70. So I think this was just like Ubers around before we had the car, bringing our grand total for an entire month here in Cabo to $3,358.69. These are costs for two people and in US dollars. Like I always say, this is not budget and this also is not luxury. It's like right down the middle, normal life that we would have in Florida, back in our home base, just in a very different background, which has been amazing. So is it more or less than what you expected? And would you come do a month here in Cabo? Now, the cool thing is, if you are nosy like I am, you can see my cost breakdown for the entire month and compare it to the one I did in Mexico City because I was just there. So that's very cool to see. And you can also compare it to places like Lisbon or Dubai. So I'm going to leave that playlist over here for you to watch next.